guys, Jen Gardner from Gardner Interiors, bringing you another product review for Trade Decorator TV. So this week I've been trialling HMG Paints Acrylic Primer Undercoat and their water-based satin. We'll start off with the Acrylic Primer Undercoat, which I found had great adhesion properties, and as you can see here in the video, passes the scratch test. The coverage is good and I found improved upon the second coat. It's also a non-bleed barrier coating for metal surfaces. It covers 22 metres squared per litre and costs around £35 for a 2.5 litre tin. I found that it dried within half an hour. Now onto the water-based satin. As you can see here in the video, I brushed and rolled some skirtings. I found that the coverage was great and solid upon the second coat. It covers 12 metres squared per litre and also costs around £35 for a 2.5 litre tin and can be tinted up to 200,000 colours. The product did require a little conditioning to help it flow better, but I found once added it was so much easier to work with. If you don't have flow-through or eczema, you can just add a little bit of water. The opacity and coverage also was great with the satin and solid upon the second coat. I would give the primer an 8 out of 10 because I feel that the coverage could be a little better. I'd also give the satin an 8 out of 10, but this is purely for the flow of the product as I feel it could be improved slightly. There isn't much product information on the back of the tin, but after speaking to HMG, I've been told that within the next 6 months they will be rolling out new tins with more product information on the back of them. I've been Jen Gardner for Trade Decorator TV. If you don't already follow me, you can at Jen the Decorator on Twitter, Instagram and Gardner Interiors on Facebook. You can follow Trade Decorator on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and their website. Please like and subscribe to Trade Decorator TV and please also leave a comment. You can click for notifications so you receive all notifications every time a new video review pops up for Trade Decorator TV.